How to use Nano-Banana AI Image Editor for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're looking for a fast, reliable, and consistent AI image generator, then Nano-Banana is definitely where it's at. Nano-Banana's advanced model delivers consistent character editing and scene preservation that surpasses Flux context and has experienced the best future of AI image editing. Now, Nano-Banana is something that provides you with natural language editing, character consistency, scene preservation, one-shot editing, multi-image context, and AI UGC creation. So you have quite the plethora of features to explore. To get started, simply head on over into Nano-Banana AI and click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you can sign up with your email address, or you can also proceed with Google for a quick and easy sign up. So I'm just proceeding with Google today to create my Nano-Banana account, and you can try their mini showcase, which can help you in creating a few images. But we're going to be signing on today, just like so. And once you've signed on Nano-Banana, you can click on start editing. Once you click on start editing, it's time to get started. Now you have two options. You can click on text to image to build an image from Nano-Banana, or you can go from image to image. So I'm going to go with image to image, and we're going to be uploading a sample image first, and then we're going to be converting it a bit. So I'm going to use a image where we have some interesting elements to edit. So let's say that I want to change this image over here. So this is my image. I'm going to open this image and show it to you guys. This is the first image that I am placing in Nano-Banana. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it to place this woman in casual clothes in a living room watching TV. So I want a consistent character. So I want this woman that I've presented in a glamorous way to be displayed in a casual setting in a living room. Okay, now you guys can see there are some tips for using Nano-Banana. You want to use natural language like place in a blizzard. You can use imagine the whole face for face complexion, maintains character consistency, and it has perfect one-shot editing. Now simply click on generate now, and on the right side you will have your output gallery. This is probably one of the fastest AI editors out there, because usually when I'm editing photos with the help of AI, I cut it. Right now you guys can see as I was speaking, my image is already ready. So this is the same woman. Honestly, the image is pretty great. I can go on ahead and click on download to download my image, and once I click on download, this is what my image looks like. It's pretty decent, although I would have changed maybe the POV, so I could have specified that. That's totally on your personal preference, but overall it looks pretty amazing. Now if I want to make some minor edits, we can also do that with the help of Nano-Banana. So if you want, you can go on ahead, click on drop an image, and I'll use a different image for this one, and I am going to ask it to make some smaller edits. So for this, let's say that I want to change maybe the background on something. So I'm going to use something that has a bit more of a background included, and what I'm going to be doing is using an image with a background like so. So I've selected my image, which is a woman standing in front of a castle. This is my image. I'm just going to show you guys the image beforehand. So this is my original image over here, and now I'm going to be editing it using Nano-Banana. So what I want to do is maybe change the background to a suburban neighborhood. And I'm going to fix my typos over here. And then I want the woman to be placed exactly. Imagine the woman smiling and looking at a house. Yeah, looking at a house rather than looking into the camera, or looking into the camera. I'm just going to change it to the woman smiling because I don't mind her looking into the camera. And then I'm just going to click on generate now. Now these image to image editings or image to image conversions are taking 2 credits each, and we will be discussing pricing once our image has been generated, because a lot of people do ask, it must be expensive. Well, wow, this is such an amazing picture. I'm going to click on download over here to show you guys the full still image, and this is what the image looks like. It is actually so nice, and it looks really realistic as well. The overall background looks pretty amazing. It looks like a suburban neighborhood. You can even see it has added a person walking in the background, so it looks very realistic. Honestly, this looks like an image I might have seen of an actual person rather than an AI generated image. Now, this is not the only feature. You can also go into text to image and then generate completely new images as well. Now, we've run out of credits because we were using the free credits. So whenever you sign up on Nano-Banana, you get 4 free credits that basically generates or creates 2 AI image edits or AI images for you. After that, you can either subscribe to monthly plans or annual plans. You do save 20% off with their annual plans, but their monthly plans start at $9.99 per month. Their Pro is $29.99, and their Max is $79.99. So what do you get in these plans? Well, with the basic version, you have 50 high quality images per month, all style templates, standard generation speed, and basic customer support. Then on the Pro, you have 100 images, and then on the Max plan for $79.99, you have 500 high quality images, the fastest generation speed, dedicated account managers, all format downloads, batch generation, as well as advanced editing tools. Now, a lot of people ask, hey, these are only 50 images. Is this truly worth it? Well, 1 credit generates 1 high quality image whenever you're using a subscription plan. And this is going to be really helpful because let's say you're getting 100 credits a month. If you're only generating images, you're not editing them, then you can generate 100 images. But obviously you might be using some for image generation, some for image editing. So the approximate amount would be 50. On the Pro, you get 200 credits, and on the Max, you get 1,000 credits. Now, whenever your plan does not use all of the credits that you had, they are going to basically expire. So based upon your actual usage need, you want to opt for that plan. A lot of people think, hey, I should go with the Max plan because it has the most credits, but the credits are not going to roll over into the next month. So it's important to only subscribe till the point where you think your usage is going to be limited at. And you can pay with any method. So you can just go into your account over here and then click on Get Started to get started with one of your subscription plans. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.